it later. So yeah, admit. So number system is the first chapter. From the first chapter, let me get the list. Ouch, cannot get it. It's behind me. You got it. So from the first chapter, we learned concept. Let me get a blue number. Then we learned concept of number system. And then we learned real numbers. I will give you this list. And after that, you will tell me some of you have some problems in this chapter. Okay. Natural number. Then we have integer. We have rational, irrational, rational, irrational. We have prime numbers, and composite numbers. Composite are like the big numbers. Okay, and then we have number line that was in the worksheet. Then prime factors of composite numbers, okay. And then we also had this multiples and factors. And from the book, okay, let me get the original copy from the desktop. Downloads work, book, yeah, first chapter. Okay. So as you can see, I'm so surprised to see all of you like joining today's class. I just gave like 5 minutes of heads up and I have 7 people already. You guys are active, I can see. And some other things that we have learned from the book was relationship between, this is easy. And then we had HCF, LCM. Okay, we have to write this as well. LCM, HCF. And then number laws. So this is the whole first chapter. Some of you will have some problems. Please do tell me, like, if you have any problems from the number system. Like right now, I can see participants. Amina, Benafsha, Cisaltinia, Floran, Habiba, Madina, Afsana, and Suraya. Okay, Suraya, starting with Suraya. Suraya, do you have any problems in the number system? The ones that are listed?
Yes, sir. LCF,
This one.
LCM, and HCF.
This one. And
Yes,
anybody else? Anything else, dear? We have Suraya here. And then anyone else have a problem in the sections?
No, teacher. In this section, I didn't have problem. I have problem in algebraic expression.
Algebraic expression. Okay.
Yeah, because I missed the class.
Okay, dear. I will share you the video links that we got on those class. Okay. But that is boring to learn from the videos, as I know. So I have provided books from that chapter. So then we will go from here. Shall I discuss a little bit about LCM and HCF or all the chapters so that I can get all the list together? I think I will do that. Variables and numbers laws. Second chapter was order of operations. Okay, Nazneen is here. And the second chapter was, where's the order of operations? There is the order of operations. The order of operations. What we learned here, we learned some basic things like addition all together, addition, subtraction. Mhm. Subtraction as in like negative, multiplication. Sorry for my bad handwriting. And division. So, and also we get to know about some things like brackets, or you would say parenthesis. So brackets, and then third bracket, and then what was the other thing was mm, 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 oh yeah, exponents and radicals. Exponents, I would say like something like 2 square. This is an exponent, or yeah. So these are the things that, and we use the PEMDAS to solve, not the BODMAS. BODMAS was old, so we will just use the PEMDAS. So in the order of operations, like the students listed here, 9 students. Anyone have any problems?
Sorry, sir. I don't know the meaning of bad mess. I know the meaning of bad mess, but bad mess, I watch your video on YouTube, but I don't know what is that.
This
Can you?
BODMAS?
Yes, sir, yeah.
Oh, we don't have to follow this one, dear. It's fine. It's
Okay.
old.
Oh,
PEMDAS is updated. So
oh,
if you know this, that's it. You don't have to know BODMAS. BODMAS, I took a BODMAS class because BODMAS was familiar with me. I was kind of like used to use BODMAS, but PEMDAS I learned before I took your classes. Okay, from the
okay.
seniors, they told me that to use PEMDAS because it's much updated and easier. Okay, and does anyone, like all of you, anyone has a problem with order of operations? Because the most mistake that you make are from this chapter. Like from the first chapter, I don't see that much mistakes. I don't see that much of mistakes in from the algebraic expression as well. But the order of operations has something to do with all of you. Okay. Do anyone have problem? Like Suraya has LCM, HCF in the first chapter. Suraya, do you have a problem in order of operations, dear?
No, sir.
Anybody else? Furuh, how are you, dear?
Hi, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Farooq, do you have any problems in the first chapter number system and the second chapter order of operations?
Okay, I hear the past lesson, 3 videos.
3 videos? Okay.
Yes,
Which was the
and
topic? What was the topic?
a number system,
And
and after that the exercise. The second video is about the exercise,
yes.
and the third video is about, I think, is about algebraic or about the number system, the continuum of a number system.
I'll show you the
Okay.
playlist.
Yes.
Yeah, this was the
Yes, I saw.
this one
Yes.
and the place value and the fourth.
Yes, place value. Yes. The
Okay.
middle of them. Yes.
Mhm.
And the another I cannot see. And today I try see all of them.
Oh my God, you did a lot, dear. Like these videos are like
Yes.
almost 1 hour.
Yes,
So I
very
suggest,
more.
yeah, if you have a specific problem, go for it. But if you are
Okay.
trying to do everything, just go for the list of PDF that I've provided in the Google chat, the PDF that I used to teach all of you. In the
Okay.
chat, Florence says using all the digits from 5 digits number 999 999 is the greatest. Is this okay? Yes, it's correct.
Okay.
Florence.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Hey, okay, we discussed like about 2 chapters, and now we will talk about the contents of mean, median, mode, and range. I think I will start from mean, median, mode, and range today. So the third chapter is mean, median, mode, and range. Some of you have problems in it. I know. I said in past classes that I would begin from here. Let me show you the book of this chapter. Mhm. So we just have some things, small things like mean, which is median, then mode and range. That's it. That's the content of this chapter, nothing else. So we will start from here today. Okay. And the last chapter is algebraic expression, which we also covered, which is easy actually. Did I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I did it by mistake. Share my screen again. Okay. This is the last chapter is what is the name of the chapter? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions. We are still taking classes on it, so we will discuss it in the class. But today we will talk about the old chapters for our new group students, group mates that has joined this class late, for them and also for us, the ones that are old, that are struggling with any chapters. So today I will discuss, as said, LCM and HCF because of Suraya. And anyone else has any problem specific, please do tell me, dear. Otherwise you didn't need to come to that review class. It's boring to study, right? No? Yes, Amina.
No problem. Algebraic expression.
Okay. So shall we start from the mean, median, mode, and range, or some LCM and HCF? Tell me.
Just repeat once. LCM and HCF.
Okay. So LCM, or least common multiple. Let me give you some examples, like why we will have to find this chapter. We will get some questions like this. Wait, let me show you the number system. And we have these. And in the number system, we have the thing 1.5 and 1.6, 13 page number 13. Let me go to LCM and HCF. Let's see what we have. Prime numbers. Yeah, there is the HCF and the LCM, least common multiple. So there are some ways of describing it. I will show you some examples of how to find the LCM. Okay, find the LCM of each of the following pairs of numbers, as it says. So Suraya, which one shall I do, dear, to show you? We will do from one from here. Oh, why is it not marking? Okay, one from the first one. It's not drawing.
Sir, you.
You? This one.
Yes, sir.
This one. Okay. It says find the LCM of 108 and 132. Okay. What will we do there is just make a division method. Take 2, like from the smallest number, smallest prime number, we will divide it. And someone raised the hand, I think. Wait. Furuk,
Yes.
tell me.
Sir, I have question about the LCM. What is the meaning of, and I don't
Okay.
know about.
Okay, let me show you. Give you
Okay,
an
thank you.
example. 28 equals to 7 times 4, right?
Okay.
So here you can see 28 can be divided into two factors. Okay, 28 is called the multiple of these two. This is called the multiple. Multiple,
Okay.
as in, like, if you multiply both of them, you get multiple. So least, the word least means the smallest. Common means the word that is common, the common one. Like if you see like two numbers, 2 and 4, what do we have common in here? Number 2. So you have like the least, the smallest, and common. Multiple means the one that you get after multiplying both sides. Okay, so least
Okay.
LCM represents the lowest common multiple. So the
Okay, thank
lowest,
you.
so the lowest common multiple of two or more numbers. Okay, that is called least common multiple. How will we get, like as Suraya said, let's find the as u. Okay, you says
Okay.
108 and 132. How will we find the least common multiple, like the lowest common multiples of these two numbers? 108, 132. We list it, we divide it with the lowest common prime number, well, prime number. So you
Okay.
get 5, 4, 54 from the beginning, and you get 6,
Okay, sir.
1.
Also, the third question is HCF also here.
Okay, I
at
will
the
give you an
middle.
example of HCF,
Okay.
but
Okay.
let's try to help
Okay, thank
Suraya
you.
here. Okay,
Okay, thank
then
you.
two twos are 4, 1, 4. Sibyl came in. 1, 4, 7. Okay, and then you got 3, 3, right? And then you can divide both sides by 3, and then 11, and then you don't need to divide any of it.
Okay.
So Suraya, you got it?
Yes, sir. Thank
So,
you.
so we will get the LCM like this. We multiply this, this, and this, and you get the multiple, like 9 and 11. You get the LCM. What does it become? Let's see. 2.
1,198.
Okay, thank you, dear. 11. 1,000, dear. 1,188.
88.
Yeah, that is the LCM of it. Suraya, you understood, right? And
Yes, sir.
we will still do this one, the hardest one here. Find the LCM of each of the following sets of number. So, Suraya, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. So 225, 105, and then 252. What do we have common in here? I can see 5, 2 5s. Do we see 3? I don't think we can see 3. So let's try to divide with 5. Or you could divide with 3 if you could get the answers. Oh, I think you can divide with 3. 3, 3, 2, 8. Yeah, 3, not 5.
Yeah.
Then 7 3s are 21, and you 15, 5 3s are 15. Okay. Then 3 3s are 9, and you 1 15, then 3 5s are 15. Then 3 8s are 24, and you have 1 2, 3 4s are 12. All right, you got it? And then this time you can see no can be divided with 3. We need 5. So 5 1s are 5. You got 2, 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. Then you cannot divide this with 5. So we leave it. Right now we can divide this or keep it this way. This is the smallest. 5, get 3. You cannot divide this with 5. 3 with 3, 3 2. Yeah, with 3. And then 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24.
Sir, when we cannot divide 84 by 5, we have to write itself again.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
If you
sir.
cannot divide it, you keep it
Okay, sir.
in the next line. Can we divide this anyhow? No. 7. Yes, 7 with 7. 5, 1, and 4. 4 multiplied with 7 is 28. You get it? So that's how we got all the numbers that we had to divide. So now we will write the LCM. 3 times 5 times 3 times 7 times 5 times 4. That is the LCM. Let us get the calculator. 3 times 5 times 3 times 7 times 5 times 4. You get 600. Oh my God, this is huge. 353754 6300. This is the LCM of the three numbers listed in the question. So that's how you find LCM. All right, dear.
Yes, sir.
I hope this helped you to understand LCM. If you do get some things like this, right? In this line, you can see 5. With 5, you cannot divide 84. If we try to divide 5 by 84, you cannot. 5 ones are 5, and then you have 3, 4, but 5, 6 are 30. So you're gonna get a 4 left over. So for this reason, you keep the 84 again. Okay, then we try to divide with another number. As you can see, you cannot divide 7 here. So 7 stays here again. So that is the trick about the LCM. Some of you make mistakes, but there are another way to divide LCMs, but though that is hard way, so I'm not going to show you. I will recommend you to use the division method. There is prime factorization method that I have taught you, but that one is kind of common and uncommon. So that way some of you make mistakes. So I just will say that you will keep to this. And this, Farooq, as Farooq says, what is HCF? We will try to break down highest common factor. So about the multiple and the factor, what is the difference? Like when we are finding the LCM, we take all the numbers that we find in common and also some uncommon numbers. But finding a factor, it's much more different. Like the same example, 28 equals to 7 times 4. What we get from 28? We get two factors, 7 and 4. So the factor comes from here. Both of them are factors, okay, of 28. Highest, as you know what highest is, the biggest one. Common, highest common factor. So while you divide 3 or 4 numbers, multiple numbers, you can get the highest common factor from there. Okay, like right now we will give some examples. From 2 and 4, what is the common factor? 2 multiplied with 1, 2 multiplied with 2. So we have two factors, which is 2. Like they are common. So as you can see, these are the highest common factors. So that is called HCF, is 2 from the both lines. So
Okay,
that
sir, but lowest is 1, yes? Lowest, lowest common multiplication. This is
yeah,
here, yes, 1, yes?
LCM
Yes, yes.
LCM here will be dear 2 times 2. Why?
Okay.
Because LCM is also common and uncommon.
But multiplication, yes.
Okay. Here
Okay.
we have one common, 2. We write 2. And then we have one uncommon, that is 2. Okay. That is LCM here.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
And HCF is always smaller because it's factor. And LCM is bigger because it's multiple. Okay, remember that.
Okay.
And but some of us get confused with the H here because H represents highest and L represents lowest. So we don't go for this. We just go for the F factor and M multiple. Okay. That's what will help you to remember what is LCM. Okay, let me give you some examples of HCF.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, dear. Okay, let me find the HCF. Where is the HCF? HCF. Okay, find the HCF here. Each of the following set. Let's try to do this hard one. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, no need to say thank you, dear. You're kind. Okay, there the draw and try to draw it here. The number I. What is your favorite color, dear?
Blue,
Blue? Okay.
blue.
Let's pick the light blue. 96. Okay, let me put black screen so that format background. Solid. Yes. So 96, 144, 136, and the last one is 344. 344. So we will find HCF of this four. What we will have to do is prime factorization method. We list 96 and we will find the division method of 96. We divide 2, you get 2 4s are 8, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, and then 2 24, and then 2 12, and then 2 6, and 2 3. So you get how many twos? 5 twos and a 3. 1 2 3 4 5 and a 3. So you get the prime factorization of 96. And after that, we will do the same to 144. You list 144 and you get two sevens are 14, and then two twos are, you got Mac here, two twos are 4, and two people entered the admiral. Two twos are, two threes are 6, and then 1 12, 2 6 are 30, and then two ones are 2, then 8, and then two nines, then 3 3. So you got 1 2 3 4 4 twos and 2 threes. 1 2 3 4 and 2 threes. You got 144, and then we will do the exact same to 136. 2 6 are 12, 1 6, 2 8 are 16. If I make mistake, please do tell me, dear. Okay, I do make mistakes a lot. Two twos are 4, two ones are 2, 14, two sevens are 14. Then we got 17. 2 2 2 and 17. And then 344. 344. You can also use the calculator for these small things, but I wouldn't suggest. It's much faster if you do it hand. Two twos are, two ones are 2, and then 1, 14, two sevens are 14, two twos are 4. And then two nines are, no, two eights are 16, two 6 are 12, two fours are, two threes are, and then you got 43. I think you cannot divide 43. Can we divide 43 with anything? Nope. 43 by 17, maybe. Nope. 43 by 19. Can we divide 43 by anything? 21. Nope. Okay, I think 43 is a prime number. Is 43 a prime number, dear? Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
Yes.
Can we divide with, no, 43 by 13? Nope. So 2, 2, 2, and a 43. So if we try to find the HCF of this, what we have to find is the commons. What we can see, 2 common, 2 common, 2 common, 2 common. So HCF, the first one is 2. And then again, 2, 2, 2, 2. You see, that's 4 commons here. And then again, 2, 2, 2, 2. Again, another common. So that's it. We don't have a 17 here anymore or a 43. So this we neglect. We got 3 twos. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. We got the HCF 8. So the HCF of 4 of this is 8. It was quite like time consuming, I would say. So if it's really time consuming, what you can do is like this. As you can see the calculator, one, like take the second one here, 144, 144, and you divide by this like this, 2, and then again divide 2, 36, and then again divide 2, you got 18, and divide 2, you get 9, divide 3, and you can write like from here, from the end, 3, we list 3. Okay, let me help you like this. We list 3 here, and then we got the calculator here, and then go up, you got an, oh no, that's how you know. Yeah, you can do it. 3 and 3, you got 3 and 3, and then after that you got 2, after that you got 2, after that you got 2, and after that you got 2, and then that's it. Wait, right? So 1 2 3, yeah, that is exactly same as this, the ones that we tried to do it in here and in calculator, the way that we wanted to do. So you can use the calculator for doing the big mathematics because it takes some time if you want to do mentally. If you are practicing every day, you're gonna be good with mental calculation. So that's how we find the HCF. All right.
Yes, sir.
Suraya, do you still have problem with the?
Yeah, no, sir. Thank you. I understood.
Okay, dear, I would suggest you something, Suraya, that find this chapter, exercise 1.5, and if you have problem, start doing from number 1, A, then B, then C, D, E, F. If you want to get the answers, I will provide you the answers from the book, okay? I didn't give the answers
Okay,
list
sir.
in this chapter, but I can give you the answer list, okay? So find the
Okay.
LCM and HCF and be good at it. These are really easy. So I don't want you to, I actually don't mind if you make mistakes in the exam. That's one of the ways you're gonna learn. Okay, 2 participants raised hand. Please do tell me, dear, Furuch and Madina. Madina, yeah, go ahead. What you have to say, dear? Nothing? Okay, I would just lower the hand. I cannot hear you, Madina, dear. Admit all. I don't know why isn't it admitting the Zoom class. Okay, you can hear me, right? All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Mhm.
Madina said that you can you please solve the number pattern?
Number pattern. Okay, sure, dear.
Yeah.
Let me give you the book first. The book on number pattern so that you can see all the number pattern here. The one that I followed. The Google Classroom doesn't have the contents like this, but the order of operations, I use this chapter. And the thing on the right. Let me make it background white. Okay. So the number pattern is 1.7. And as you can see, this is the number pattern. Oh no, this is not the number pattern. Here it starts from here. Okay. What does number pattern mean? Like the examples are given from here. Look at the right screen. I will use the black pen. Yeah, Madina, what's your favorite color, dear? She says what? No.
Sir, she said pink.
Pink. Okay, let me pink. Where is the pink? The red. The red is the closest one here, but we don't have a pink, dear. We will have pink in future. So, okay, let me pick this. This one looks a little bit pinkish, but it's not. It's magenta, I think. Okay, so 1, 3, 5. This is purple. And in the chat, there is, her mic is not working. It's all right. 1357 dot 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 and 2468 dot 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 14916 dot 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 and then 13610 dot dot dot. These are called number patterns. As you can see in the beginning from here, what does it mean? Like 1, 3, 5, 7. It means all the odd numbers. Odd numbers. It represents the odd numbers. Okay. So if I, yeah, dear. Anyone wanted to say something? Okay. So if I had to say like this, like if I wanted to draw something with the pattern, you can see that there's one. One is an odd number. And then after that, 1, 3. And then we have a 5. And then we have a 7. As you can see, it's growing up, right? And then we have a 9. We have a 9. Something like this. Odd numbers. So you remember, like it will go like this from 1, 3, 7, 5, and 7. 5, 7, you get 9, you get 11, you get what? Tell me. 30. And 15, something like that. Yeah.
17.
And can you tell me which one?
17.
No. The second one. 2, 4, 6, 8, then? Then 12,
12. 12. 14.
16. So this one, can you tell me what? 1, 4, 9, 6. If you define this sentence 1, 4, 9, 16, what is it? 1 square, 2
24.
3 square, 4 square, 5 square, right? 6 square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16.
5 squared.
Suraya says mute yourself, Amina. Because we are hearing some static noise from your microphone, Amina. Yeah, thank you very much, dear. So, as you can see, these are all the squares or exponents. Yeah, iPhone 8 says to mute yourself. 3 square, 5 square, 6 square, then 7 square, 8 square. So what you will get? 5 square is 25. 5. 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. How will we do? 5 into 5. 6 into 6. 7 into 7. There is another way to write the number patterns. I will show you how. Like, as you can see, 1 into 1. Then you got the second 4, 2 into 2. Then the 9, 3 into 3. And then the 16, 4 into 4. Then 25, you will get 25, 5 into 5. And then 6 into 6 is 36. And then 7 into 7 is 49. So that's a pattern. Pattern means design. It means science. Science as in like when I was taking the first class of patterns, I divided the numbers like as the word number, and then I said like, what does pattern mean? Let me close this tab so that it doesn't make any disturbances. Okay, so I showed to the class the maps.google.com. So I did this. I showed you and I zoomed out a lot. Oh, this is so slow internet. Oh yeah, you can see low system resources as it says. Okay, you can see a big world, right? So what will we get a pattern from? You can see the color pattern in this world, okay? You can see this side is green, all right? There's a green side here and there's a white side. So this is, and also a blue side. So from the pattern, if I had to say, like, if I could mark, actually I cannot mark here in the map right now because it's a map. But if I take a screenshot, I can. Okay, I can take a screenshot for you. Shift S like this. Take a screenshot of the whole picture. So slow. Okay, it's not coming. Okay, let me take a screenshot like this. I think there's a settings that focus assist on that disables the screenshots. Off. Turn it off. This time it might work. We will get to studies, but I still want to do this. That's why notifications. Action settings. Let me turn it on. Yeah, there it is. Turn on. Now the screenshot will work. Okay, I give up. No, I still don't give up. Snip and sketch this one. New screenshot. Yeah, we got it finally. So let me show you what is the pattern over here. So if I had to say a pattern like here, this place. So if you create a country over here, you know the color will be blue, right?
Yes, sir.
And if you take green color from here and you pick like a country over here from here, you know the color will be green. So green means like a grassy place, grassy greenland type of place. Okay. And then blue means water place. And then white means a desert kind of place. Okay. White colors here. So from this, we get some color patterns. So these patterns are used in mathematics as well, the way that we learned. Like the patterns that goes up, and from here 1 3 6, how can we get a pattern from here? Like, let's try to get a pattern from here. 1 3 6, 1 equals to 1, and then you add 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 3 plus 3 you get a 6, right? 6 plus 4 you get a 10. 10 plus what will it be? 5, you get a 15, and 15 plus 6 you will get a 21. So you can see the pattern. If patterns is rising from here, right? And does anyone have any problems in other patterns? I can show you other patterns as well.
Sir, I can understand.
You can understand? Yeah, 21, and then 21 plus 7, it will be 28. Okay, so if we get the book again from here, you can see like 1 plus 2 plus 3. They also use that jumbled order. You can use this way as well, like the way that they used 1. They use 1 and then 3. Dear, your microphone is making static noises. Yeah, please mute yourself. Yeah, thank you. So you can see 1 3 6 10. 1 3 6 10. The way that they wanted to pronounce is like this: 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4. That way you can also get plus 5. That's how another way of finding plus 7. So 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 6, 7, 28. So that's how you find the pattern. I used to use this technique in the exams sometimes when I had to find patterns. This, I didn't know this one. I didn't know this one. So I hope that covered your pattern, or there are some other patterns like this. We can solve from here. We can solve the hard ones, D, E, F, if you want to. Let us solve one of them, one or two of them, and then we move on to next chapter. Which one do you want me to solve, dear? Whoever had problems with number patterns? Madina Akbari, I think. Yeah, I think Suraya, you can answer instead of her. Yeah, E. Madina says E. Oh my God, this is the hard one. Okay, you picked the hard one. Never mind, let's go. Let's try to do it. You can do it. Then, so the hard one, as it seemed, 384. We have 192. We have 96. You have 48. You can see 24. Then comma, then comma. As I can see, if you divide 384 by 2, you get 2 ones are 2, then 18, 2 nines are 18, then you have a 2. And then you divide 192 divided by 2, you get a 96, right? Yes. And then you divide 96 by 2 again, you get a 48. You divide 48 by 2, you get 24. You divide 24 by 2, you get a 12. And then you divide 12 by 2, you get a 6. And then the last one, divide 6 by 2, you get a 3. That's it. So we had got like 12, 6, and a 3. Oh, we don't need 12, like 3. 12 and 6. That's it. And then do you want me to do another one, dear Madina? In the chat? Thanks. Okay, I hope it solves your problem. And if you see this type of pattern, the first pattern is like this. The second pattern is also a big one, but this did this. And the third pattern, you can see this is one. So divided 1, 2. So what they did is like this. Okay, you see, this is easy to design. So what will be the fourth pattern from here? And then if you wanted to, we want to like make a bigger one, we have 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can do this. And then this. And then this. So this is the way you draw this one. Okay, so easy. And then this one also, like it just multiplies like that. You can see here 4, there is 16, there is more, I don't know how many of them are there. So number of matchstick. Oh no, this is not 16. This is 12, as it says here.
And
12,
24.
24. And what is the pattern here? I cannot understand. 4, 12, 24, and then it goes 4 multiplies with 3. Oh no, yeah, you get a 12. You 12 multiplied with 2, you get a 24. 24. I don't know how is it done. Okay, let me try to find the possible solutions. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. It increases by 4, I think, something like that. 24 plus 4 plus 4, yeah, 24 plus, it might be 16. Who knows? Yeah, it can be 16. 16, then something, 0, 1, 2, then 40, then 40, 40 plus maybe 20, then it gets 60. You understand what I did? I added 4 here, and added 4. So that might be a pattern. Who knows? Maybe it's a different pattern. We have to draw it, then we will understand. Okay, how will we do that? We will try to draw this again, one, a bigger one, and then a bigger one, another bigger one. So the fourth one will be like this. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. This is the one. So how many boxes are here? We have to count it. If we get 40, we are gonna be lucky, because this is 24, as it says. This is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You can see that. Okay, let me try to count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We were correct. So there is 40. Then the next thing will be 60. And the next thing will be 60 plus 24. Did you get the pattern, all of you? I mean, if you do not understand for now, you can like check the YouTube video again. You can understand it later. Okay, all of you? So there's, so all of the patterns can be found like this: number of small squares, as in says 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So that's how you find the squares, or 25 you can say. So it's 40, and then it's gonna be 6, 40, 60, 61. So yeah, so these are some 3 numbers, same patterns. They said describe in words the pattern, find the sum of the first 3 terms, each sequence. For each sequence, describe in words. Okay, lots of questions. You can do them by yourself. I would suggest whoever have problem, start from 1, stop here, and then again to do this in the notebook, so that you get good at it time by time. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit tough in the beginning, but once you try it, you get the hang of it, it's gonna be so easy. So let's just like go to the next topic. I hope it helped you to understand what number patterns are, right? Okay, dear, did we get the number patterns? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we will try to get mean, median, mode, and range. This is the one that all of us, I can see some of you struggle. I'm going to media, I have to go to work, book, mean, median, mode, and range. This is the chapter. Open. There it is. Okay, so let me give you some examples first from the beginning. We'll not do these things. We will go directly to questions. Oh my God, these are like really hard ones. Okay, the ones that you're gonna see in exams, let me show you. Like, I think I gave you a question, classroom.google.com. Yeah, here. Team H, let's go Team H. So classwork, mean, median, mode, and range. So that was the question here. Let's try to solve some from here. Benafsha here. She solved some of it.
sure.
Yes, Benafsha. Can
Yeah.
you teach us, please?
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Okay, I will help you. No worries. So let's pick 1, 3. Okay. 3 says 14, 9, 20, 5, 17, and 13. We will find mean, median, mode and range from here. Okay. So what we will find this one. So I will let me.
Sir,
Mhm.
so first of all, we have to rearrange this series.
Exactly. Into ascending order. Ascending order means small to
Ascending.
big. Is it big, small to big? Let me see. Ascending order. Ascending big order. Small to big, actually. Screen increasing, you can see. It's
Yes,
increasing.
sir.
So from smallest one, the smallest number here is 5. Then we have 9.
9,
Then we have 13.
13, 14,
Yes, 14. Then
17,
and 20. 17 and 20. So we got the ascending order from small to big. Now we will try to find the mean. Mean is the sum divided by n. Sum as in like sum of all numbers, addition of it, and n is the number of numbers here. Okay, number of numbers. Let me find the calculator first. If you want this program, I can give this program. This is an ES calculator, small program that I downloaded from the internet. Okay, we will try to find the sum of these numbers. 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 17 plus 20 divided by
by 6,
7. Yes. No, 6. There are
6,
6.
yes,
6, yeah, it's
1,
just
2,
only
3.
6.
It's all right there. No worries.
6.
So you get 13. So the upside, we get 78. We get 6 and we get 13. So yeah, you got the mean. Then we have to find the median. For finding the median, we will pick up different color. We will start cutting from here. And you see 13 plus 14, two numbers. So in this case, what we will do, if we
median
found
is 14. No,
13 plus
14 plus 14.
plus divide by
2.
2. Okay.
Yes, sir, 27.
14
27 by 2.
by 2, you get 13.5. 13.5.
13.5. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then find the mode. Mode is like the highest used
No mode,
number.
sir.
No
Sir,
mode.
here is none.
Yep, none. And then range is like
Range is 15.
okay, 20. Highest number, subtract the lowest
20.
number.
20
Minus 5.
15.
15.
Yeah, you got 15. So that's how you solve a mean, median, mode, and range. You find, and we can do another one from the here. Let's try to do the last one, number 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 10 says 116, 130, 120, 125, 140, and a 125 again. So let's try to arrange this thing. Arranging the set of numbers into ascending order, we get from the smallest number. Smallest number here is 120. No, 116, I think. Yes, 116.
Yes.
116, then 120,
120, 125.
125 twice, and then 130 and a 140.
140.
You can see this is done. So let's find the mean. Mean is all addition of all the numbers divided by
Sir,
the numbers. Yes. Yes, dear. Okay. So find the calculator. Try to put down all the numbers. 116 plus 120.
125.
5, 130 plus
140.
plus 140. Okay, you get 756. 756
by 6.
divided by 6, right?
6.
7. Wait, it's not responding. Okay. Divided by 6.
26.
Yeah, 126. Thank you very much. So that's how you find the mean. Then the median. Oh, okay, let's try to cut from the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
250
Oh,
by 2.
so this 2, as you can see. So we will write it
Yeah, the median
120
is
plus
125. 125.
no, the median?
Yes,
No.
sir.
How?
125. One is, yes, sir. Both of them
Oh,
are,
sorry,
both of them
sorry,
are
sorry, sorry.
125.
Sorry, I picked the wrong one. Okay, this one. I should have picked this one.
Yes, sir.
So this 2. Okay, 125. My
Yes, sir.
bad. Sorry, 125, and then you get a 125. And then mode. Mode will be
125
125.
the number that has been used most.
repeated. Yes.
5 here has been used twice. So 125. And the range.
24.
Range. Is Zuali here? No.
24.
Okay. Zuali got transferred into different class. 140, 116 today. Because she can attend offline classes. So she has been rearranged in another class. Some of you will get different class. So highest number, negative, the lowest number. You get 24. So as you can see, mean, median, mode, and range is quite easy. But if you want
Yes, sir.
from here, it's just like there's histogram, there is graph. So it's a little bit different, but not tough. You can find like this. The following frequency table represents the points scored by a group of boys in a game. So how many frequency? Like this is the highest frequency. No, this is 3 is the highest frequency. Most time, this one. So this is the mode, as you can see. Draw a histogram for the data. How will you draw a histogram? You take a graph like this, the x-axis and the y-axis, and you put the number of points scored, like number of points from here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the number of boys who did it, number of boys. So yeah, you try to put something like the first one in the second, like this, you draw this, and the second in the fourth, they draw this. So that's how you draw the histogram, as you can see. Like that's how they draw the histogram. Solution, they did it. Points scored. Oh, they did the opposite version of that I did. My bad. I did this one and this one. They put the other way. So points scored in the number of boys, the frequency, they said. So they did it and they found something like that. And the second question was, what is the mode of the distribution? The mode here is 3, I think. The 3 is the mode because 3 is the highest scored, as you can see. And also here. So that's how you find a solution to the mean, median, mode, and range. I will just suggest all of you to do this mathematics so you can have problems. If you cannot solve it, you come to me again. I try to hold up a class like there, or you can see me in my office Thursday. Okay. As Benafsha was here, Nazmin was here today, and Kubra and Abida. Okay. Thank you for coming, all of you. So yeah, that's how I found. And does anyone want to learn algebraic expression? I don't want to teach anymore. I want to have a cup of tea. There's a free cup of tea in the cafeteria, like in the, what is it called? Dining hall now. So if anyone
Yes.
in the campus, you can get free cup of tea. So yeah, that's it. So I think I will close the class today. I hope you will still have problems. I will hope that so that you have to
Yes,
come.
sir.
Your hope is true.
Okay. So
Yes.
we will host another classes, and whoever wants to do good mathematics, please
Yes.
practice a lot. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. Sure.
So you got the books from the chat, Google Chat. You get the worksheets in the classroom. You get all the classes listed in the YouTube, and you get me in everyday class. Okay. So all of you
Yes,
have
sir.
same resources. So all the best for the exam. I mean, not
Thank you.
yet. We have like 6
Sir-
more days before the exam. Yes.
Sir, when will be our exam? The
The
exact day?
the 1st of March for
First month
mathematics and 27th and 28th, I think, for English, I
English.
guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And yeah, today I will not take any attendance. This is an what is it called, extra class. So if you
Yes, sir.
do have still problems, please come in the office or tell me to host up extra classes like this. Okay. See you 2 days later. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Have a fun
Have a
and
great
nice
day.
You too. You too. Hey, have you realized Group E and Group H are here? So you will see some unfamiliar faces. But still, yep.
Yes.
See ya. I'm ending the meeting. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
I will upload this video, by the way. So yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.